Hey everyone, let's review Minitab skills. Here we'll be looking at how to use Minitab to create confidence intervals of differences between two pairs. In this example, which we did in class, we had fertilizers A and B. Note that we have different numbers of fertilizers, 16 samples of A, 12 samples of B. That's totally fine because this is independent two-sample data. After assessing the normality of these small sample sizes and populations accordingly, we enter our data into Minitab right here. Again, just to point out, there's more fertilizer A than B. That's okay. Stat, basic stats, because they're independent, to sample T. Each sample is in its own column. Sample 1 is fertilizer A. Sample 2 is fertilizer B. Options, now they had said 98% confidence interval, and so keep everything else the same. And there's our confidence interval. And sure enough, that's exactly what we had gotten in class. Okay? Remember to check to make sure you get your confidence level correct. Now, how do we do it for paired data? Well, for paired data, it's a very similar process with one exception, right? Here we have high cholesterol, right? Again, we did this in class. Small sample sizes, assess for normality. Kind of skip that here, but anyway, 90% confidence interval, right? How do we do that? Well, we go to here. Whoop, 1 second, I need to reload. Go to worksheet 3. We've already entered in the data, stat, basic stats, and because it is paired data, right? In each case, there are only 8 patients, right? But each patient has a before and after, right? Each patient has a pair of data points. We click paired T. Make sure to do that. You might get the confidence interval wrong if you don't. Before, after, options. Again, make sure that that is 90%. Leave everything else the same. And voila, there we go. Right. 70.41 to 88.34, and sure enough, that's what we had in our notes.